What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I'm sitting up here with a big glass of lemonade. Eric's mowing back there. He mowed all this with the zero turn, and now he's mowing back there with the small mower. I have had a heck of a week so far. We're moving into the new house. I'll show you the pan room. I had to get a bunch of boxes out there, and I set up all the new racks. And so the pan room is now ready to start the process of setting it up. So what's up? It's Wednesday. The pan room is on its way to being restored once again so we can start cooking in our new kitchen. So, what's up? I bet you guys are wondering what's been going on with us. We have been moving. And I know I haven't done that many uploads, but we're going to try to get on it again and start uploading more often. Right now, we are in the process of unpacking. And I'm going to tell you, the kitchen is an absolute disaster. This is what it looks like. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. You can't even cook in that kitchen. We are trying to set up the pan room. We're trying to set up the pantry. I got a few things to get that kicking off for the pantry. And we got all those boxes that you saw last week in there that are in the pan room. We got those out. We got the racks set up the way we want them. And so we're ready to start the process of setting this new pan room up. So right down here, you probably can't see it, is a pile of empty boxes that are getting ready to go to the dump. I'm just out here, to be honest with you. I'm taking a little break. This is the only glass I could find. But I was okay with that, right? Eric's out there mowing. Let's go see what he's up to. He is way out there. He did such a good job with that zero turn mower. Got everything nice and mowed. And now he's trimming it up with the spots that he couldn't get with the big mower. He's using the little push mower. So, oh my gosh, this whole move has been something. Part of it is we really didn't plan well, right? We didn't start packing soon enough because we didn't know when we were going to be closing escrow. And then we had like 2.5, 3 months, whatever, to, our plan was to get moved by September, which we did do. We just didn't pack fast enough. So when the movers came the first time, the pan room wasn't packed. And when the movers came the second time, the pan room wasn't totally packed. So that's our fault, but hey, it's over, it's done, we're here, and now we're beginning the setting up process. So some of the things that I have to do, I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to put a washer and dryer in that third pantry. I've been looking at different options, getting a portable one, getting a laundry center type. I just don't know yet. I almost ordered one of those laundry center types this last weekend, but I haven't done it. Bought a few things from Container Store to get the organization going of the pantry. And so we're starting that process. The biggest thing to me is just getting all the shelf liner in the kitchen, all the cabinets, and to be honest with you, I hate that job. I just absolutely hate it. I really could, I could see myself trying to get the housekeeper or something to do that for me because I just hate it. I did it in pantry one, so I have to start with the cabinets where we put our glasses and the plates and stuff. And so I'm dragging my heels with it because I just don't like to do that job. So I haven't really done any cooking here because I really haven't had any cookware or anything. I did make this rigatoni, baked rigatoni last weekend. I made it in a Martha Stewart cast iron pan. I didn't really have a baker to do it in, so that's what I used. It worked out pretty good and it was pretty tasty. I'm eating it for lunch this week. So let's go in. I'll show you what's going on in pan room 1, how I decided to put the racks up in there, and how everything's going in there for the start of us getting organized again. Okay, so I bought this closet-made liners to go on the wire shelves in pantry number 1. I'm cutting these to fit. It has little tabs to keep it secure. So we'll see how these are. My shelves are 16 inches and I need to cut them 41 inches long. So let me cut them and let's see how these things are. My new neighbor was so nice, brought me a homemade banana bread to welcome us to the neighborhood. So I'm having a piece smothered in butter for breakfast. Okay, they're in, but they're not that great. Maybe they'll flatten out. Some of them, they're like bulging on the side. I can't keep these tabs to stay in. Look at this one popped out again. So basically it has these little tabs. It's supposed to keep them in the racks, but it's not that great. So I don't know what I'm gonna do long term, but this is what I have right now. Oh yeah, I finally found my olive oil. I didn't have any for days and days. It's seriously gonna take me years to get all my utensils washed and back where they're supposed to go. I need to get some more of these tray things. These drawer organizers, so I'm gonna get some of those on order because I need new ones. These are cheap ones, but So cooks, here is the new improved pan room. So just like the other pan room, it has double doors, which I love because I hide my stuff away. A lot of people ask me, does this pan room smaller? It's actually slightly bigger. The last one I had 6 racks in here and I was able to get 6 in here again. And I have my cabinets in here for the gadgets, but I was also able to get Dr. Doe's in here with his bun rack cabinet. So for the grand tour, it already had a whiteboard up here. I left it up because if I want to make notes about recipes I want to work on, all that fun stuff, I wish it was moved down a little bit, which I might try to do before getting the pan room going. If I move this down, I would be able to use it for notes and stuff and recipes that I'm working on. So one issue is I don't have all these liners, so I need to contact Seville Classics and order. You can order packs of, I don't know, 6 of these liners, something like that. I ordered them before, so I don't have enough. I don't know what happened to them, so I'm gonna be ordering them. So I have 1 box in here so far. So we had a little issue with the blinds. Eric actually broke one of the blinds, so we are gonna measure these, order something. I don't like the blinds with the strings because they always break. So we're gonna see what kind of, some of those blinds that you could just push up and down like that. I'm gonna get those. So we have 2 going across the back, 1 here. I have 2 racks going down the middle. So it's sort of like an aisle. I was gonna separate them, but it just took up too much room and it didn't give you a big enough aisle in between. So I just put them together. So in the center here, I have my knife rack, and on top of this goes an HL6 in all its glory, right? 2 gadget cabinets like I have. I'm gonna set them up the same way I had before. It worked really great. I had 1 for baking, 1 for cooking, and it was amazing. It stayed completely organized. We never had any problem with it going crazy. So I'm going to, I'll give you a tour of that when we get that set up. And then see, we got tons of boxes over there. Another rack over here on this side next to this cabinet. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. So this is pan room 1. And I would expect that pan room 2 is going to be equally as fabulous because I have 20 racks for down there. Not sure if that's gonna be enough, but we'll see what happens. They ended up costing me a fortune. I think they were like close to $100 a piece, so that was pretty costly. So this is the start of pan room 1. I'm so excited, the new improved pan room. I need to sweep the floor. So Eric's going to be putting some additional lighting up in the ceiling so we can see a little better when we're in here. Wow. I can't wait till this is all set up. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Cheers, right? The move is done. We were here on the new homestead. We're gonna set up the new kitchen and we're gonna get cooking, right? I'm so excited. I can't wait. I want to start cooking in that kitchen and start learning again. I hope you have a great week. Thank you for sticking with me. I need this little rest here because I've been working hard and I need a little R&R, right? So that's what I'm gonna be doing the rest of the afternoon. I might put some turkey burgers on the grill. And yeah, it's Wednesday and I hope you have a fantastic week. Hopefully we will be getting some things together soon and we will be cooking in the kitchen. Next weekend we will be doing a rush to get organized and we'll see how it goes from there. I have to get readjusted to the kitchen and doing videos in there. I've got a few things I need to do because there's a lot of reflection off the windows, so I have to resolve those issues and then we will be cooking. So have a great Wednesday, everybody. Thanks for joining me.